his wings so he's not flapping around in there. I gently try to get a hold of him and get my fingers under his legs and pull him out. I know right away that this one's a male. You can kind of see that little discolored spot there. But also to know for sure, if you carefully open the wings, you can see his scent pouch is right there. Those two spots on his hind wing. And then we're going to grab our tag, which is the next one in line. We already have it ready to go on the data sheet. So I'm just going to grab it with the corner of my fingernail, and I'm going to put it on this discal cell that looks kind of like a mitten shape. Just stick it right in the middle of that cell and then give it a press down. And that's all you would have to do to tag a monarch. Just note the sex of it and write it on the data sheet. And then I'm going to take it one step further because we're doing 2 citizen science projects here at one time. We're also sampling him for disease. I'm going to grab one of these little stickers off of here and press it on his abdomen. I'm holding on to his legs so that way his legs stay out of the way. Being careful not to touch the wings with the sticker. Just pressing it and getting a sample of scales from either side of his abdomen. And then we're going to put it on the card right next to his number. And Project Monarch Health says they like it to be horizontal. It's a lot easier for them to read it versus vertical. And then he's ready to go. And we're going to wish him good luck. Woo. All right. So I'm going to go ahead now that I've let him go. While it's still fresh in my mind, just double check he was number ACCA 793. He's a male. All these ones that we're catching here at the park are wild caught. We did not rear them. And later on, I'll put the address where we are because we're catching them all in the same place today. All right.